Shubha Shoshti to all my viewers. Welcome to Fun Food Fashion. On this auspicious occasion of Mahashoshti, I am going to share with you another Bengali recipe, that is Bhuna Khichuri. It's very famous in Bengal, especially during Puja. It's a special different kind of khichuri recipe and totally vegetarian version. So without further saying, let's get started and see how to make it. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you're new and press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further video. Now let's start making Bhuna Khichuri. For that, here I have taken 1 cup of Shona Moong Dal, which is the smaller one. But if you have the larger Moong Dal, you use that and there is no problem. Now I'm going to dry roast them on medium flame till the yellow color, light yellow color becomes darker yellow color, and stir them continuously because they have a tendency to get burned very easily. So this is the color we wanted, darker yellow color. So now it's done. I'm going to wash it thoroughly for a few times, this roasted dal. Now here I have taken 1 cup of Govindabhog rice and I have washed both the dal and the rice thoroughly, and I am going to soak them for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, I am going to start the cooking process. For that, here I have taken 4 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. I am going to cook everything in ghee only, pure desi ghee. Let it get nice and hot. Now add 2 bay leaves or tej pata. Next 3 whole red chilies, 1 inch cinnamon stick or darchini. Next some cardamom, which I am going to break the cardamom pods and then add it for better aroma, 3 to 4 cardamom or elaichi. Next 5-6 cloves or long, and I'm going to fry them for 15 seconds till everything releases a nice aroma. Now I'm going to fry up some peanuts. Here I have taken 10 grams of peanuts, and over medium flame I'm going to fry them for a minute. Now it's done. Now I'm going to add some cashew nuts, 10 gram cashew nuts or kaju and 5 gram raisins, and fry them as well on medium flame for a minute. Okay, so it's done. Now I'm going to add the Govindabhog rice. I have drained all the water before adding the rice, and make sure you use this fragrant Govindabhog rice. This is the specialty of khichuri made in Bengal. Now I'm going to fry the rice. This frying process is very important for making any type of khichuri. I'm going to add the dal as well. I have drained the water from the dal as well. Now I am going to fry the dal and the rice together. Stir them occasionally. I am going to fry it on medium flame for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I am going to add 1.5 tablespoon of grated ginger and mix it, and over medium flame I am going to fry them for a few minutes more. You will realize the difference. First it was wet, so the sound was different. Now they have released all the water has evaporated, so the sound of the rice and the dal has become quite different. There is a different kind of sound, and you will see the rice has become translucent. See, the rice has become translucent from white. So that means the rice and the dal is nicely fried. So I'm going to add the dry ingredients. First goes in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, then 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, next 1 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, and mix everything up. This frying process of rice and dal is very important, let me remind you again, so have patience while frying it. Now I'm going to use this cup. I have measured the dal and the rice in this cup, so I'm going to use the same cup for adding water. I've used 1 cup rice and 1 cup dal, so total 2 cups. So ratio of the water will be 1:2. That means for 2 cups of dal and rice, I'm going to add 4 cups of hot water. Another tip for making bhuna khichuri, always use hot boiling water. Now let it come to boil over high flame first. Now I'm going to add salt according to taste. Mix it. Then for flavor, I'm going to add some green chilies. Here I'm using 3 to 4 green chilies, slit it from the middle. Now cover it and over low flame cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I'm back, and you can see the rice is quite done. So at this stage I'm going to add some sugar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, because this khichuri recipe is towards the sweeter end, so it's quite sweet and salty kind of recipe. So but you can increase or decrease the amount of sugar according to your taste. If you want it less sweeter, add less amount of sugar, but adding sugar is very important because it's a vegetarian dish. Now light-handedly mix the sugar. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix again. There is just a little bit of liquid is there, so we need to evaporate all the liquid. So cover it and cook for another 5 minutes on low flame. So after 5 minutes we're back, and the khichuri is ready. All the water has been absorbed, so it's done. This kind of, all the rice grain should be separated like this. Just give it some time. This is the consistency of khichuri you want for bhuna khichuri. Now I'm going to turn off the gas, cover it and give it 5 minutes standing time, and then I'm going to serve it. I'm being traditional, so I'm going to serve it on a earthen plate. On that some banana leaf and with some begun bhaja and obviously some rasgulla. Serve it hot, and you can see all the rice grains are separated. We call it jhurjhure. So bhuna khichuri has a texture of jhurjhureness, that means separate, all the grains are separated from each other. Doesn't it looks delicious and taste delicious as well? So do make this recipe for your Shoshti lunch, and I'm sure your friends and family are going to love it. So happy Shoshti to all. Don't forget to like the video, share the video and comment on the comment section below, and happy puja. Thank you.